Welcome back and welcome if you're new to my channel. If you'd like to see how I did this ombre foil polygel rhinestone look for Valentine's Day, please stay tuned. So these are the products that I've used, and like always they will be listed below. I use Madam Glam's polygel. This ENL is a local business here in Michigan. She's located in Lansing and it's the first black-owned nail supply in Lansing, Michigan. And she has a wide variety of things. I will list her website below. But otherwise, this is the other products that I use to get this nail look. And also, I wanted you guys to know, if you want to protect your hands from that UV light, use those protection gloves or some sunscreen. This is the sunscreen that I use, and I will list that down below too. So like always, you guys, I put my nail tips on off camera, and you know I use the pillow base since I'm constantly doing my nails. This is a milky white gel polish that I got off of Temu, and it's the best milky white that I ever used. So you'll see me putting this on my thumb and my pinky nail, but I'm just creating the milky white base because I want to use that foil that's right there on the paper towel. So now I'm going in with the foil gel. Make sure to cure this for at least 60 seconds so it can get that tacky layer. Now you're seeing me put the foil right on top of the nail, and I'm just going to press down and it should lift up like this. Any part that did not have part of the design on it, just stick it back on there, press it down, and it should come right back up. But it's a very easy process. Next, I'm going in with my Madam Glam polygel. Now, Madam Glam's polygel is a little too soft for my likings, which sometimes it moves too much. So I'm using it because I bought it and I don't want to waste my money. So I'm definitely going to use it for designs or whatnot. But it wouldn't be my first choice to purchase. Next, I'm going to go in and encapsulate what we've done so far with clear polygel. One tip I can give is I wish I would have top coated the foil before I put the polygel on there, because the alcohol that I use as a slip solution kind of dull the coloring of the foil. So in my opinion, before you put anything on top of the foil, just put a layer of top coat just to protect it, and then put the polygel on top of that and go on about your business. We're all done with that. I have filed and shaped my nails off camera, and now I'm going to go in with a base coat just to fill in any cracks and crevices, because I do want these nails to be matte, and you know, matte will show up any imperfection. So now I'm going in with the Makartt gel glue, and I'm going to first just map out where I want the top to be and where I would like the bottom to be, so it will be easier for me to create the actual curves of the heart. And I'm going in with my handheld flash curing light that I got from Temu just to cure those in place, and now I have a point of reference, and hopefully my hearts will come out even and not lopsided since I already made the point of reference. I do go in and I fully cure these in the big Glam. Now I'm adding my caviar beads. This is a tedious process, but just take your time. My advice is don't have it too wet with whatever you're adhering the beads with. I'm using the gel glue, but just a little at a time so they won't slide everywhere. Now I'm going in with the matte top coat gel polish just to touch up the areas that had the glue, because that glue will leave a shiny layer. And now I'm going in with my cuticle oil. If you've made it this far, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel and turning on the notification bell if you would like to stay informed of when I post my videos.